In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a report on Wufoo. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this step-by-step tutorial will help you create insightful reports with ease. Let's dive right in and explore the straightforward process of crafting your own report. First, you're going to want to head over to wufoo.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly interface, which is one of the reasons Wufoo is so popular for creating forms and reports. Next, look for the tab labeled Reports. It's typically located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Reports will lead you to the Reports dashboard, where you can manage and view all your current reports. This dashboard is your central hub for all reporting activities within Wufoo. Now, let's create a new report. Look for the button that says New Report. Clicking on this button will initiate the report creation process. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can start setting up your report from scratch. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve with your report, so take a moment to think about the data you need to display and the audience you're presenting it to. Once you're on the report settings page, it's time to get creative. Start by entering a title and description for your report. The title should be descriptive enough to convey the report's purpose at a glance. As for the description, this is your opportunity to provide context or additional information about the report. This will be particularly useful if you're sharing the report with colleagues or clients who need to understand its significance. With your report's title and description set, it's time to select the data you want to use. On the Select Data section, you'll see an option labeled, What data would you like to use? This is where you choose the specific forms or datasets that your report will draw information from. Wufoo allows you to integrate data from multiple forms, giving you the flexibility to create comprehensive reports that meet your specific needs. The next step involves adding widgets. In the Add Widgets section, you can either click or drag to select your preferred layout. Widgets are essentially the building blocks of your report, allowing you to organize and present data in a visually appealing way. You'll find a variety of widget types to choose from, including charts, graphs, and tables. Consider the best way to visually represent your data for clarity and impact. After selecting your widgets, you'll want to adjust their settings. Each widget has customizable options, allowing you to fine-tune the presentation of data. You might want to adjust the chart type, change colors, or modify data labels. Spend some time experimenting with different settings to see what works best for your report. Remember, the goal is to make your data as understandable and impactful as possible. Once you're satisfied with the layout and settings of your widgets, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save Report button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this will store your report within Wufoo, making it accessible anytime you need it. Don't forget to review your report to ensure everything is in place and that it accurately reflects the data you intended to showcase. And there you have it! You've successfully created a report on Wufoo. This process, while simple, offers powerful capabilities for visualizing and analyzing data. Whether you're using it for business insights, academic work, or personal projects, Wufoo's reporting feature is a valuable tool for turning raw data into meaningful information. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!